What's happening YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now this is an exciting one, a really exciting one. Autobeam have reached out for me and give me their latest product for free to do an install video on my MK2 Focus ST. And what these are replacements for the reverse light and the fog light of my car. Not only have they sent me this product, but they've also given me my very own Discord code to share with you guys, so make sure you check that. TLOT10, that is the discount code which will get you guys a 10% off. Now, the idea behind these lights, as you can see, is they're symmetrical. So instead of one being red for the fog lamp, one being white for the reverse light, these are symmetrical. But what's more exciting is, if I just show you, these will also link up to the side lights of my car, and this red ring will light up red when my side lights and headlights are on. Now that is going to look awesome. Bit of wiring to do. We're going to get the old ones out and we're going to offer these up to the car and we're going to get them installed. So before we start the install then, you may see that I'm rocking my very own t-shirt. It's got my logo in the back of the neck and it's a picture of my car. I've got 2 of these t-shirts made. I don't have the facility or the means really to have massive amounts of stock of t-shirts and things like that, and I had these made for myself. However, if you're interested, comment down below, look for my Instagram description below and let me know if you'd be interested, and I'm sure I could sort out a deal with the company that made these and get a cost if you are interested in one of these t-shirts. But for now, let's get on with installing these lights. So this is our reverse light, and as you can see, this light will replace it like so. This bit will be the reverse light in the center and this will light up red when I've got the side lights on. So we need to get this light out, which we do by removing a couple of tabs from behind, which I'll show you now. Like remove, as you can see, the tab here and the tab there, you just squeeze them together, push that out, and then to remove the bulb it's just a twist. So same with the fog lamp.
Same again, twist and turn.
Right, so nice and straightforward then. Old lights removed. That's the easy bit then. The next bit then is we need to look at how we're going to get the wires inside the car. So I'm going to remove the parcel shelf, I'm going to take the carpet out, take the sides off. I'm going to remove the back lights, which are held in by a couple of screws, just so I can expose the wires and see where I'm connecting up to. So let's do that now. Right, so jump forward a little bit. Let me explain what we've been doing while I've been off camera trying to figure this out. So, right, so looking at this, these are our lights. On the back here, this is our brake light in the middle here, where you can see these brown wires. They come through the car and they connect to this connector here. Yeah, so what I've been doing on this plug is working out which one is side lights, and it's this one. So, if I turn my side lights on, I get 12 volts through this cable. If I turn it off, I lose my 12 volts. So this is our side light live. So what I need to do now, install the light and run the cable to here. So that's what we're going to do. You can see there's a grommet and I'm going to run the cables through this grommet. So I've done exactly the same on this side, located the positive for the side lights, and then I'm now going to install the lights and run the cable through the same grommet on this side of the car. So I'm going to run that through now. So far then is we've identified our positives for the side lights. I've run the cables inside the car. We've got the lights in, as you can see. They do look very good. So I've got them installed then. So I'm now going to use the crimp tool. Now Autobeam sent out these, so I'm not even gonna have to do any soldering. That's how good this kit is. I'll put this around our live, I'll squeeze it together, which will then connect to the cable and keep it intact, and I'll use a spade connector onto the end of this with a crimp tool, and that should give us, hopefully, our live feed for the side lights. Then all I'll have to wire in is the reverse light and the fog light. So I don't know how you can see, but this brown wire I've identified as our positive. So with this, all I'm going to do is put that in there, and then get our positive side here. And that clicks in to there, like so. I then need to do the same with the negative. I'll just give a bit of a close up. This is the connectors here. We've got a negative and a positive. So when I turn the side lights on now, this red ring should, and he says should, light up. So you're going to check it for me. Let's have a look. Let me know. Is it on? Has it lit up? Look at that. That looks cool as fuck. Look at that. Now that looks the dog's bollocks. I'm absolutely buzzing with that. Absolutely buzzing. So we need to get the other one done. We've identified the correct way to do it. Then we just need to wire in both the reverse light and the fog light, which with these spade connectors is really straightforward. So let's get this side done, and I'll show you a little bit more of how we did it. Once again, that light should now be wired in. So if I put you guys down here, you can see both side lights. So I'll go and turn the lights on in the car. Them two lights should now light up. Fingers crossed. Yes! Yes! They look the dog's bollocks, look at them! I'm absolutely over the moon with these. These look absolutely awesome. So that's the side light now wired in. So what we've got left to do is we need to put the reverse light in on this side, and we need to put fog lamp in on this side. So this is our reverse light. I've took the bulb away. I'm going to keep this safe. I've connected our spade connector here. I'm now just going to plug it in underneath. Just going to plug it in here. Now there is no earth for the reverse light. I'm presuming that's because the whole unit is earthed here on the side lights. So I'm hoping now that once I put this in, it'll be a case of switching the car into ignition on, clicking it into reverse, and we should have an LED now shining reverse light. Let's have a look. Look at that. See what it looks like with the side light on. How's it look? Check that out. The reverse light should have gone off. We're on a roll with this. I honestly thought that this install would take me a good few hours, but I've only been going for about 45 minutes, and we are almost done. We've now just got to do the same on the opposite side for the fog light, so that's what's next. The lights are now in and working. The last thing we need to do then is tidy up the cable in the boot, put the side carpet back on, tidy up, and we're finished. So let's get this boot of this car tidied up. It's a bit of a mess. So there you go then. We are all auto beamed up. These rear lights look absolutely awesome. Like, I'm well impressed with the quality of them and the way they light up red. Different. They were actually a relatively quick and easy install. As I said then, Autobeam have give us our very own discount code FTLOCK10. Make sure you go and check them out. Make sure you shout them on social media. The more you guys kind of use that code, the more they'll work with me, so I massively appreciate that if you go and use that code. Thanks very much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, comment down below and like, and stay tuned for more videos on the ST, because mods are inbound. We are at the point now where we are seriously looking at ordering some mods for this car, so stay tuned. Exciting times ahead. Thanks very much for watching.